We are here in Chengdu, China. Turn up. We out. Just wait. Watch. Watch. Let's go. Bro, what the f is that? Wait. That's John Cena. What the f John Cena doing here?
Hey, go further. I am learning some important information in China, you know?
Being chillin'.
Yes, I like it. Tasting betrayed.
Oh, what the hell? We got John Cena in China. What is this? Wait, hey, chill. See that shit. Hey, what is that? What the hell is this? What the f going on? What's going on? What y'all doing? What are y'all? We have shoes. Yeah. Shoes. What's in here?
I'm doing the show.
Oh, a show? Oh, do a show.
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go.
And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Chengdu.
Yeah. Come on.